Ahoy folks, welcome back to the Lone Wolfer Garage. Today I am here with my girl Michelle, as usual, a 2009 XL1200N Nightster. We're going to swap out the Footpeg pins for a set of these DK Custom Products quick release Footpeg pins. It's not a big thing to change, but it was a cool little product that I figured I'd give it a shot and swap them out on the bike. These pins will fit multiple years and multiple models. I would check with DK Custom to see which pair or four you might need, as I got. Let's get into it. Just take a look and see what is holding your Footpeg pin on. On this here model, it is a little tiny snap ring. Typically, you'd use a pair of snap ring pliers, such as these, to take that off. Or, if you don't care about the snap ring, you can use just a pair of pliers and yank that sucker right off. And then, simple enough, just pop the old one out. Mine looks like absolute garbage. And then we grab one of the DK Custom quick release Footpeg pins, which has this nifty little ball bearing built into it that will hold the sucker in place. Alright folks, that was pretty simple and straightforward. I'm only going to show you the one, as any pegs you have on your bike are going to be a very similar setup and should be just as easy. I got these quick release pegs off of DK Custom Products for $7.95. However, I would check with them to find out what their current prices are. I will leave a link down in the comments below. If you guys liked this one, maybe give it a like. If you have not subscribed and you want to follow around with my adventures and my tutorials, hit that subscribe button. And if you guys have anything to say down below, either about these pegs or other products that I might look at myself, I'd love to hear from you guys. Rock on.